Здравствуйте, дорогие зрители! Вы на канале Рома Суворов. И мы будем играть в новую игру, где мы должны наблюдать, что как на самолете. Если все это не идет, то все хорошо. Понятно? Не нужно быть зашел, много делаем мужчина. Так что приступаем к первому заданию. Если меня плохо слышно, это я просто сегодня могу.
During an emergency landing, you must assume a brace position. Tuck your feet firmly on the floor behind your knees. Place your head against the seat in front of you. Tuck your hands behind your knees or below the thighs. Remember to keep the brace position until the aircraft comes to a stop. Are you ready to practice? Okay, do your best. Begin with placing the feet. The feet are not placed correctly. To move the feet, touch them and drag them left and right. Tuck your feet firmly on the floor behind your knees. Try once more. I know you can do better. Never mind, I'll show you. The sole of the feet must be tucked entirely on the floor and the feet must be placed behind the knees. Never mind, I'll show you. The sole of the feet must be tucked entirely on the floor and the feet must be placed behind the knees. Never mind, I'll show you. The sole of the feet must be tucked entirely on the floor and the feet must be placed behind the knees. Try again. I know you can do better. Fine. Now place the head. Good. Now place the hands. The hands are not placed correctly. Done. Finished.
Все, мы сделали это.
You have made some mistakes in the trial. You should practice more.
А ты запутался. Но там мы еще не все успели изучить. Помните, когда мы там должны были все проходить там?
During a water evacuation, you must be able to wear a life vest. Now, I will show you how to wear a double-chamber life vest located under the seat. But always pay attention to specific instructions concerning life vests available on your flight. Learn how to wear a life vest so you will be able to wear it quickly. Extract the pouch from the compartment under the seat. Open the pouch by pulling the tab. This is the hole for the head, and these straps will go around your waist. This type of life vest can be worn on both sides. Slip the life vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Buckle up the strap. Firmly pull the tab on the end of the strap until it is snug around your waist. Inflate the life vest by pulling the red handles, but do it only when leaving the aircraft. Would you like to see the procedure again, know more about it, or try it together? Okay, let's start. First, extract the pouch. Okay. Now open the pouch. Okay. Now put on the life vest. Right. Now wear the strap. Fine. Now buckle the strap. Good. Finally, adjust the strap. Okay. Finished.
Да, конечно, точно все.
You should wear the life vest more quickly. Many users have been...
Я хочу задать. Мне это все интересно. Ну, больше тут он сам.
In the event of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop down automatically, and you should wear them as fast as
Очень
possible.
легко.
Reach up for a mask and pull it down to activate it. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and slip the elastic strap over your head. Pull the ends of the strap to adjust the mask. When you're wearing the oxygen mask, breathe normally. Be sure to wear and secure your own mask before helping others. Would you like to see the procedure again, know more about it, or try it together?
Лучше он говорит, а не я.
Okay, now it's your turn. First, take the mask. Right. Now wear the mask. Right. Finally, adjust the mask. Okay. Finished.
Ой, очень легко, очень.
You should wear the oxygen mask more quickly. You should practice more.
Нет ничего интересного. Когда вы там саму игру проходите? Это просто обучение. Вот себе. Не хотела это брать.
During an emergency evacuation, you must be able to locate the exits closest to you. Memorize the position of the exits of this aircraft so you will be able to locate the ones closest to you. Before going to the exits, you must leave all your luggage behind. There are 6 exits on this aircraft, 3 on each side. 4 exits have a floor-level door. 2 exits are window exits over the wings.
Два выхода на каждой стороне.
All exits are clearly marked by an exit sign.
Вот один выход. Вот. Это я еще увлекаюсь.
Remember that the closest exits can be behind you. Would you like to watch the tour again? Know more about exits or practice together?
Давай.
Okay, now it's your turn. Look around and tell me where is the closest exit.
Я не разговариваю, я учусь.
Closest exit is on the other side. No, the correct direction is this one. Try once more. Never mind, I'll show you. Examine the cabin more carefully. The closest exit is on that side.
Быстрее.
Try again. Right. Where would you go in case of evacuation? Fine. Where is the closest exit? Done. Finished. You have made some mistakes in the trial. Many users make mistakes at first. But with a little practice, they manage to complete the trial without errors. You should practice more.
Right.
This aircraft has two different types of exits. Let's see the first. This is a floor-level door. In some emergency situations, you might have to open it. Learn the procedure to open this door, so you will be able to do it quickly. First, check the external conditions by looking through the observation window. Be sure there is no fire or other danger outside. If there is no danger, rotate the handle. Firmly push the door to open it. After opening the door, the slide will automatically inflate. Are you ready to test your knowledge? Okay, let's start. First, check for danger. Don't forget to check for danger before opening a door. You should check for danger by looking through the observation window. Let me show you how to do it. Look through the observation window to check for danger. Never mind, I'll show you. Look through the observation window to check for danger. Okay. Now operate the handle. Okay. Now open the door. Done. Finished. You have made some mistakes in the trial. You should practice more.
Вот мы и прошли обучение.
Now let's see the second type of exit. This is an overwing window exit, and if you are seated near it, you must be able to open it in case of evacuation. First, check the external conditions by looking through the exit window. Be sure there's no fire or other danger outside. If there's no danger, remove the cover that protects the handle. Pull down the handle and the exit will automatically open. When it is open, you can exit onto the wing. Would you like to see the procedure again, know more about it, or try it together? Okay, do your best. First, check for danger. Okay. Now, remove the cover. Okay. Now operate the handle. Fine. Finished.
Самолете.
Brilliant. Trial successfully completed.
Скорее бы. На этом мы закончим. Спасибо, что посмотрели это видео. Всем пока.